Hi, this is a very quick tutorial about how to record a video in Flipgrid. I'm just going to point out a few of the main things you need to know. After you link to a Flipgrid board, this is the page you're going to come to, and it's going to ask you to join with Microsoft, which is your NSCC information. Just put in your email, which is your W number at campus.nscc.ca, and password. It may recognize you if you're on your work computer. And it's going to continue to the organization sign-in page, so it's a regular sign-in that you would use at work. Once you logged in, the instructions are going to open for the Flipgrid. So it's the same instructions as you would see in Brightspace. There are instructions in video form, and there are instructions in text form, but all you need to do is keep track of what the specifics are for the video. So in this case, we're looking for a 5 to 10 minute video in this assignment. Other assignments, it may be only a 2 or 3 minute video. So check for what you need to do, and when you're ready, go to the bottom and click on the big red button. And that is going to ask you first to use your microphone and camera, which you will allow. If you have any problems with that, there's a little video icon that'll come up in the bar in your up here, and then you can just check to make sure everything's working right there. So that's done. So now you're ready to record. You notice up here there's a timer for 10 minutes. It'll count down the time for you to make sure you don't go over the maximum time allowed. If you forget what the assignment is, you can click on this little toggle button and you can check the instructions there. If you want to keep some notes on the screen so you could refer to them when you're doing your video, you can make some notes in here. And it's not going to be recorded in the video, so you can leave it here in front here if you like, or put it off to the side. That's up to you. There's some options. If you don't want to record here, if you'd rather record somewhere else, you can upload a clip as long as it's less than the 10 minutes. And also you can record your screen as well. You also have some effect options where you can add filters and frames and emojis, and you can have some fun with it if you like. So moving on, all you have to do is hit the button. It's going to count you in 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to start recording. And I'm recording right now. And you can see at the top the timer is moving down, so I'm not going to go over the 10-minute maximum. Once all that's done and I've finished my video, I hit pause and I'll go to next, and it's going to play back the video. So in here I can edit if I want to, but if everything looks good, I can just continue on, take a selfie, change your picture, because you know what you're going to get. Something terribly goofy like that. Confirm it. You can change your name here. You could put a link in, you can put a title in, that's up to you. And then you hit submit. And this is going to send your video off to Flipgrid. Now everyone in the class will now be able to see your video and comment on your video, just as you'll be able to comment on other people's videos. You can download the video if you like, otherwise just complete it, and there it is. It sits. Now, this is someone else's video. You go in,
start recording,
and watch the video, and you can add comment. You can add video comments to other people's videos. I'm going to record a comment, exactly the same process, count you in, record the video. When you're happy with it, go through the process, change the title, and then submit. So now I have, let me complete that. Now I have the feedback video and the original video. So if you go into the actual instruction page, you're going to see everybody's videos all lined up here. So have fun with this. Post on other people's, and check back to see if other people are giving you feedback on your post. Have fun with it.